This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials: a Google account with Drive active and an active Make. Com account. Once done, open Make. Com and create a new scenario so you can add modules. Make sure to select the Google Drive app when you add a module. This choice triggers the authentication flow. You'll be prompted to connect an account. Pick the Google identity that has the files or folders you need. This step links Make Com to Drive and permits subsequent actions like list, upload, or watch. When you click Connect, choose OAuth and approve the scopes Make Com requests. These determine what Make Com can read or modify. Once authenticated, configure the module, pick the trigger type such as watch files or watch changes, and set folder paths or search filters. Then map outputs, file ID, name, MIME type, and metadata into subsequent modules. This is important because mapped variables drive your next steps. If you need dynamic behavior, use functions and variables to construct folder paths or file names. Finish by running the scenario manually to validate each module and inspect the run log for returned ID and errors. If something fails, reauthorize the Google connection first because expired tokens or missing scopes cause most issues. Make sure the Drive folder is shared appropriately and that you aren't hitting API quotas. Adjust polling intervals to reduce calls. If reauthorization doesn't work, delete the connection and reconnect. Once clean runs occur, schedule or enable the scenario to run automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.